The real water crisis doesn't start when taps run dry, it starts much earlier, quietly. Every year, water bills rise. Restrictions increase. Supplies become less predictable. And yet most families assume clean water will always be there tomorrow. Until one day, it isn't. Daniel never thought about it either. He had running water, paid his bills, and trusted the system. But during a long dry season, outages became frequent. Bottled water prices jumped. And the idea of depending completely on outside supply suddenly felt risky. What scared him most wasn't shortage, it was lack of control. He started asking a simple question most people never do. What if I could create water myself, even in small amounts? That curiosity led him to a surprising discovery: the air around us always contains moisture. Even when it feels dry. Even when it's hot. Invisible water floating all around us. Scientists and engineers have known this for decades. With the right principles, airflow, and condensation method, that moisture can be collected. Not magically. Not instantly. But realistically. Daniel learned about a simple DIY water generator concept, not a factory machine, not an expensive system, just a practical idea that explains how atmospheric water collection actually works. No digging. No chemicals. No complicated tools. Just understanding how nature already provides what we overlook. What changed wasn't only the idea of collecting water, it was the feeling of preparedness. The relief of knowing that even in uncertain times, there are ways to think ahead. Ways to reduce dependence. Ways to stay informed instead of afraid. This isn't about replacing your water supply. It's about knowledge, awareness, and being ready before emergencies force your hand. Because when shortages happen, information becomes more valuable than equipment. And the people who prepared early never panic later. If you're curious how water can be pulled from air using simple principles, and why more people are quietly learning this skill today, take a moment to explore the full guide. Sometimes the most powerful survival resource isn't underground. It's already around you, floating in the air. Check link in the description below.